Hey traders, Kenya Horton here. Welcome back to our channel. And so for those of you who are using our amazing intraday and scalping strategy, KISS 2.0, I wanted to show you a live trade right now. I've taken a few scalps, so I usually scalp and I'm mostly a swing trader now, but I am scalping Euro USD right now on the 1 hour. And I just want to walk you through a live trade because a lot of traders who are using this amazing strategy, they just love to see the live analysis. So one of the things that we teach, and you can actually look at the training manual, which is in the description of this video. There's a 65-page training manual that walks you specifically through this strategy. Now on my chart, you're going to notice that the red zones that I have are always sell zones. The blue zones are buy zones, and the yellow zone is take profit. Now overall, my bias is short right now on Euro USD. So I'm swing trading. I'm in a short right now, which means that I'm selling. But currently on this 1 hour, price is in an uptrend, and so I'm actually buying. So I've been scalping off this level here. One of the things that we do with KISS is what we do is we mark our levels on the daily. So when I say our levels, we mark our major levels to trade from on the daily time frame, and we use those whether if we're scalping or intraday trading or whatever style, it doesn't matter because we're really focused on the levels. So the first thing that we do is when we go to trade, we basically want to look at the directional trend. And so right now, because I'm scalping, I'm more worried about what's going on the 1 hour. I'll also take a look at the 4 hour, and you can just kind of see how really what's going on here. Okay, so you can see that overall we've been in a downtrend, and then price is retesting this previous structure level here. But on this 1 hour, what we want to do and make it very, very easy, this strategy is so easy, guys. All you want to do is trap the price. So we trap price and we look at the directional trend. It's bullish right now, right? So rejection at this level, top of the channel. Okay, it's so easy to trap price and make this super easy to help you with your entries. You can see this was a beautiful clean entry here if you were selling, and now I'm more focused on, okay, price is reaching the bottom of the channel. The next reversal area is within this area here. So although I have this buy zone here, I'm not looking to buy at this particular spot right here. When I put these horizontal lines on my chart, it's more of an area that I'm looking at. So if I turn my chart to a line chart, you can see exactly where the reversal zone is. You can see that price came here, turned around. You can see that this is an area where price has reversed as well. And if I turn this back to a candles chart, you can see the wicks going through. So all I do is adjust it and bring it down to the wick, okay? And now, so since price is reversing off of this zone, guess what else matches up? Well, my KISS confirmations on your 5-minute. This is exactly what you want to see. Price extended outside of the Bollinger Band. We use this as a form of support. Okay. And then everything else is coming together as well too. The settings for these indicators are in the training manual. And those are on the website. And so it's standard for, I'll just give them to you real quick. It's standard for Bollinger Band. For RSI, I believe it's standard as well. For stochastic, it's 5, 3, and 3. And for MACD, I'm using TradingView, it's 3, 10, and 9, okay? So 5-minute confirmation is coming together. We don't rely on the indicators. We more so use them as confluence, multiple confirmation as to why we want to get into the trade, right? All right, so I'm looking at the 5-minute. The 15-minute will usually come together just like the 5-minute. However, and when you know this strategy and a lot of you use it, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about and you'll know what to look forward to. And the training manual is excellent. You don't have to have the training manual, but if you really want to master this strategy, I do recommend it because it has risk management. It has everything that you need to really master this strategy. And this is a strategy that I make profit with every single day. And I prove it to you all inside of our Telegram. So be sure to join the Telegram that's in the description of this video because I always drop trade ideas for this particular strategy so that you can see what I'm seeing and you can also take the trades that we take. Okay, so you'll see this, and now I'm going to share with you on my MT4 real quick. the trades that I've closed and also have going. So this is my MT4. So I use TradingView and I use MT4 to take my trades on. So you'll see with this particular balance, what I do is I never risk more than 2% of my total account balance. I like to use pretty low lot sizes. So even though I might be able to use a standard on my account, I never ever use a standard. I never trade toward my max lot size. I calculate 2% of my total balance. And then what I do is I break that lot size into fractions. So when you see a lot of my results, you'll notice that I have multiple trades, maybe different entries. I take profit at different areas. I like to scale out my profits and take advantage of the volatility. So I've already closed 2 positions on Euro USD. And my total max risk for today is $573. Actually, it's about 500. I just know my max lot size is about a standard lot size, or 10 or $11 or so. So what I do is I never go over my daily max risk. And I always stick to breaking up my lot sizes into fractions. Okay. So that's exactly how I do it. And I trade from zone to zone. I take profit from zone to zone. So I'm going to go back to my chart. So now you see how I did that. And so now if I wanted to take profit, where would be a comfortable area to take profit? So I usually will trade from zone to zone, from one reversal zone to the next. But it just depends on how long you want to hold the trade. Like I'm in profit. I've already made profits. And so, but overall, I'm in a swing. So I'm not going to get too greedy. You know, I could close out right now, let price pull back to this zone again and re-enter. But you'll see that as this comes together and it starts to go your way, like now the 5-minute is coming together. Once this 5-minute MACD crosses, I cross over to the 15-minute, and usually the 15-minute will look exactly like the 5-minute. So you could either take profit at half of this candle, or even probably like right here, just half. I judge by the previous candle a lot, but from here to here, I don't know if price will come back here, but I always take profit before the next reversal zone. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this quick live analysis on Euro USD. Comment on the video if you have any questions. And remember to join the public Telegram for information on KISS as well. There's a playlist that is on YouTube. You'll see that there's a former playlist called KISS Strategy Indicator Method. It's the same strategy. However, this strategy has been improved over the years, and it's mainly a market structure based strategy. So let me know if you have any questions. I hope you enjoy this strategy and live analysis.